What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Mi 10 devices. We are hearing that there are going to be an affordable 5G smartphone in 2020, but we haven't seen any. Until now, Xiaomi has just dropped a bomb named Mi 10 Lite that will be delivered next generation of connectivity at a price of just 350 euros. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite will differ from the premium Mi 10 models of course, but it carries the same spirit. The Snapdragon 765G and its integrated 5G modem are the brains of the operation and will keep chill with the liquid cooling tech. So we already know the specifications of Mi 10 and Mi 10, as we know that these devices has been launched last month. So let's discuss about the specification of Mi 10 Lite, which is a new device from Xiaomi. So on the front of the device we will see that there is going to be a 6.57 inch of AMOLED display, which is coming with a 1080 by 2400 pixel of a resolution. 20:9 is the aspect ratio and 401 is the PPI density. We also see that Mi 10 Lite 5G is coming with a water drop notch on the front of the device, which is kind of a different from the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro because they are coming in punch hole. That water drop notch is coming with a selfie camera of 16 megapixel with an f2.5 is the aperture. Whereas on the front of the device we will also see that it is coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. Moving on towards the back side, we will see a square camera bump on the back side of the device, in which we will see a quad camera setup on the back side alongside with the dual LED flashlight. And that camera sensor are coming with a 48 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of macro lens and 2 megapixel of depth sensing camera. Moving on towards the process, we will see that there is going to be a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, which we already know that has a support for 5G connectivity inside, and that is based on 7 nanometer, and it is coming with a GPU support of Adreno 620, which is an awesome thing because it is going to be an upper mid-range level of a device in this price range. Next is going to be the memory. Well, in terms of memory, it is coming with two different variants. One is going to be a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The other is going to be an 8GB and 128GB of internal storage, and these storages are based on UFS 2.1, and also you will see that there is going to be a micro SD card in that particular device. Software wise, it is coming with an Android 10, and which is the latest from Google, and also it is expected to come with the MIUI 11, which is the latest from Xiaomi right now. Next is going to be the battery. Well, in terms of battery, it is coming with 4160 mAh of battery with a fast charging support of 20 watt. Three different colors are going to be introduced in that particular device, which are going to be black, blue and white. And the price of that particular device for the base variant is going to be 350 euros. So overall, if you look at the device, it has a decent quality and functionality present in that particular device. We will also see a 48 megapixel camera sensor and a 5G support inside that device along with 6 gigs of RAM. So combination of all these makes that device a good upper mid-range category device for all those people who are looking for an affordable 5G device. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thought in the comment section below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.